Robotics Workshop. Namaste. Future innovators, get ready for an exciting journey into the world of robotics. We are thrilled to have you here to explore, learn, and build. Let's kick things off with a bang. There will be some workshop guidelines, so let's keep it fun and respectful. First is engage in chat. You have to engage in chat, like you have to share our thoughts and then ask questions and then help others. We have to be honest in polls. Like whenever I will give you some questions, you have to click on the right answer. Then we have to respect everyone. We have to make a positive environment here. Then there should be no spamming. Then we have to keep the chat focused on robotics. We have to bind on our caps. So we have to don't avoid using all the caps. Okay. So let's save the shouting for the genuine wow moments. Now your robotics roadmap. What we will explore today. Like what is the roadmap of it? So our destination would start from the definition of the robotics. Then the anatomy of robot. Then we will learn the difference between robotics and IoT. Then what are the use of sensors and actuator and the difference between them. Then what is Arduino Uno and their basics. And we will give you some design challenge. Now defining a robot. What is the definition? What does it robotics means? So robotics is a fascinating intersection of science, engineering, and technology that deals with the design and construction, operation, and application of robots. At its core, robotics is about creating machines that can sense their environment, process information, and then act upon it, often performing tasks autonomously. Now, what are the key principles? So, there are three key principles, which are robots sense their surroundings using various input devices. They process this information, making decisions based on their programming. Finally, they act on these decisions, interacting with the physical world. They think of it like giving machines the ability to perceive, think, and execute tasks much like humans do. I hope you have understood what is robotics. Unveiling robot anatomy takes 6 essential parts. Every robot, regardless of its complexity, is built from a few fundamental components working in harmony. Understand these parts is key to comprehending how robots function. So they function using 5 tools. Now the first tool is sensors. Sensors are like eyes or ears of the robot. It senses the light, sound, touch, distance, and many more from its environment. Now the second is the controller. As we have a brain that like senses signals to other parts of the body, there is also a brain of a computer. It is known as the controller. Controller is basically the CPU. Now third is actuators. Now they are the movement parts. Like we can move our body through our joints, muscles, right? So like they are the moving parts of robot actuators. Then power supply. We need energy like we eat food, right? So there is also a power supply that is needed to the robot, and that's how the robot works. And structure of the frame. Structure is the body of the frame. We all the organs make an organ system, and that is a body for us. So for a robot, it's a organ system, that is the structure. Now robotics versus IoT. Smart machines versus connected devices. While both robotics and the Internet of Things IoT involve smart technology, they serve different primary functions. Let's clarify their distinct roles with clear examples. Now I am sure that you have learning more about robotics.